All right, so let me do it again. So Tracy Ann Hall is the automotive technology teacher at Jonathan Grant. You would have seen her before on Smile in Studio. She's brought some students with her. Beside her is Jamelia Ellis. Romario Davis is in the white shirt, and over there is Deveray Harrison. Now, apparently them think I don't know anything about cars. But guess what? It's true. Because I know how to drive it, and I know a mechanic. So I really don't know how to fix all kind of things, but I don't need to. Morning, everyone. Welcome. I was going to say welcome to Smile Jamaica, but it's still Smile Jamaica, but we're kind of close to your town. Yes. We're in Old Harbor at Gateway Plaza. I know you're going to talk to us about the battery. Where is the alternator, please?
The alternator is located just right here.
Right where?
Look right here, where you have the belt. This is the driver belt, and this is the alternator. Yes.
Because we were talking about alternator, and I told him that I didn't know where it was. And I don't necessarily want to know. And then what it do?
All right, what it does, could we ask one of our students?
Yeah, but I asked you first.
Okay, all right. The alternator is really used to charge the battery.
Charge the battery?
Yes. That's what it's used for. It generates alternating current, and a rectifier inside it converts it to direct current that the battery uses.
You know, so I didn't know that.
I know you did.
Lie, I never know anything. So we're talking about, so you teach what? You teach, I know this is automotive
yes,
technology.
automotive technology, but electrical is a part of it because a lot of the motor vehicle does have electrical parts, electrical functions.
So having said all of that, you teach them how to fix cars? You
Definitely.
That's what you do?
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. What you going to do this morning now?
All right, this morning they're going to check the charging rate of the vehicle and also check the battery to tell you how strong it is, if it's a good battery.
No, miss man. So I don't shoot, and I was done at school too. What is the charging rate? What do you mean by that?
That is the rate at which the alternator charges the battery with and without load. So they will.
Jamila, you come in your fancy gloves. You plan to do anything this morning, or you just come to stand up? So what you going to do?
I'm going to check the hydrometer.
Hydrometer. That is something.
This is the hydrometer.
That's in the car, right?
Yes.
No.
This is the hydrometer.
Oh, this is the hydrometer.
Yes, sir.
So where you going to use that and check what?
I'm going to check the pressure.
The pressure?
The electrolyte, actually.
Like blood pressure?
No, the electrolyte in the battery. She's going to.
In the battery.
Right.
All right, how you do that? Show me how you do that.
All right, it depends on the type of battery. This one is one that does not service, so there would be no port for you to pull. So
what do you mean it don't service? If it don't, it does throw it?
Yeah, right. We dispose of it. So hence we can't use this meter on this battery. So they're just going to do the charging rate.
Okay.
Right.
All right. Deveray, you that don't. Start me out and show me what you did. Don't turn your back, because I want to see a handsome face. Yeah, turn around so. And what you going to do now?
So this is the multimeter.
Multimeter, but I learned plenty of things. Yeah.
So I'm going to turn it on direct current voltage.
Direct current voltage.
Yeah.
And that tells you?
That tells me if the battery is good or whatever.
Right. So 12.65 mean it good or it don't good?
It good. It should vary between 12.5 to 12.8. So it's at 12.6.
So between 12.5 and 12.8 mean it good?
Yeah.
It
so
don't,
if we go above that, I mean it'll go overboard. So if they below it, I mean what you want change or what you want charge.
But if it go above it, it's all right?
No.
It's all right?
Too much, man.
Too much?
Yeah.
And wait, we do blow up the car?
Yes. Too much.
Yeah? What it will do, blow up the car?
No.
If it's too much. Romario, come get involved in this, Romario. You can't just stand up in your white shirt. I know you don't want to mess up yourself. Oh, you want to start the car? Hold on, let me move out right away now, car.
He's going to check the charging rate. Tell him what you're going to check.
So I'm going to check the charging rate.
So they don't do that yet? So the 12.6 is not?
No, that when the battery, that's the
car not on. Me like me done,
the car not on.
All right, the car don't turn on.
No,
all right,
so when the car turn on, no, it must vary between 13.8 to 14.5.
Oh.
Yeah, or at 14.8.
Yeah. So when after the car start, it's supposed to go to? Whoops.
See?
It's
so
moving now.
The charge up.
What charging up? The battery of the car?
The battery.
So that's good. No?
No.
That's not good?
Oh,
but they need to see. Turn around so they see the numbers. So when you rev it a little bit, it gets a little better. All right? Romario, give Romario the Romario the mic now. What is this fancy? This is just to start the car. If the car can't start, you just.
No.
The battery is me mean.
No, this meter is for when you're checking the applying load to the battery, not when it's in the vehicle. When it's out of the vehicle and you want to apply load.
Oh.
So we're going to apply the load to the vehicle. Load meaning, Mr. Romario will tell us.
Romario say him don't want to tell us. You want me to tell you, Romario, what the load is?
Yes,
Because I know all of these things. You know.
Tell me then, sir.
Yeah?
Tell me then.
Load just mean load. No? No, sir. I know that it means. Umbrella. So it mean, load. What load mean?
Yeah, apply the load apply the load to the headlight.
To the vehicle.
Apply the load.
To the vehicle.
Yeah?
And it remains at?
And it will remains at 14 point.
Which means it's good then.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. All right. So, how big is this class? Is it an elective or they have to come to?
It's an elective. What happens is that the students chooses a vocation. So we have 25 students who have chosen automotive technology in grade 10. We have 25 in grade 11.
Beautiful.
And we have 30 in grade 9. So the students choose what area they want to be in, and then they would matriculate after that out of high school into the area that they have chosen.
You teach them how to drive the car too?
No, we don't. We don't have the facility for that, and we don't have the resources for that either.
So, Romario, you can drive?
No, sir.
All right. Deborah, you can drive?
Of course.
Which, of course, I bet you can't drive. I have no bicycle me to talk about, you know, you.
Bicycle, right? Bicycle.
Oh, you can drive?
No, sir.
So, what's your favorite subject?
Well, my favorite subject is maths.
Maths. That's brilliant. What you want to be when you leave school?
I want to become a soldier, a pilot, or a doctor.
Make up your mind, boss.
Well, that's it for now.
Or you want to be a flying doctor?
Probably when I get it.
What about you, Jamelia?
An automotive technologist.
That's what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's beautiful. Turn around, make them see, Romario. Come stand up beside me here. What about you? What's your favorite subject?
Automotive technology.
Just you missed there why you said that, you know?
No, sir.
And what you want to be?
Mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineer. All right, there you go. It is great to see you guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming. You have school now, don't?
No, not now.
Like him a wicked boy, you know. Don't worry.
All right, thanks for having us.
Yes, man. She's Tracy Ann Hall, and she's the automotive technology teacher at Jonathan Grant. Deborah Harrison is in the middle there. Jamelia Ellis is there. And, well, Deborah, you're going to either fly a plane, fix if anything wrong with me. What was the third one? Doctor, pilot, or a soldier? Soldier. Good. And then you have the great Romario Davis beside me, who just very serious. Smile for the people. Just look on the camera and smile. Smile, man. Sure. All right, we're going to take a break and then we'll come back here at Gateway Plaza in Old Harbour. Stay with us. Soon come.